Which of the following is not an operating system? So we know Windows is an operating system, Unix and Linux is also an operating system. So the correct answer to this is Explorer. It's not an operating system. Next question. In the context of the computer, what is the full form of WAN? Okay, in the context of computer, the full form of WAN is Wide Area Network. Option B is the correct answer. And this WAN or this network type is used to connect networks in large geographical areas. Next question. India's first missile was Prithvi. It is surface to surface short range ballistic missile. Next question. Barometer is a device used to measure, okay, easy one, it's used to measure atmospheric pressure. Next question. To an astronaut in a satellite, the color of the sky would appear to be, it is black. We see the sky to be of blue color due to the principle of scattering of light particles. That is, blue light get refracted, so it appears to be blue color. And the answer to this question is black. Next question. Spring Hill, the company's first artificial intelligence chip is by, okay, we know Spring Hill is launched by Intel Corp. It's also called Nirvana NPP. NPP is neural network process. It is the first artificial intelligent, that is AI chip of the company. So the correct answer is option A, Intel. Okay. Next question. The black box in an aircraft is an important part, as well as conversation and data are recorded therein, although it is named as the black box, but its color is not black. What is the color of the black box in the commercial aeroplane? So the color of the black box is, it's orange, as orange is a bright color and it can be recovered after any accident very easily. Next question. Internet is controlled by, we all know internet is controlled by no one. So the correct answer is none of the above. Next question. What is acoustic? So it is a science dealing with human settlement. So the correct answer to this question is a science of human settlement. What is human settlement? What is human settlement? It is like, we all know Harappan civilization, Mahenjo-daro, Indus Valley civilization, they are the settlement of ancient time. Similarly, this deals with science of human settlement. Next question. What is NDM1? So this is, option B is the correct answer. It is a NDM1, that is, it is a bacterial gene called New Delhi metallolactamase 1, dubbed the superbug because of its being resistant to most antibiotics. Considering the chronological order, identify the social media site that is newest among those given here. So the correct answer is Snapchat. Next question. In which Indian city is the world's first solar powered airport located? So it is Cochin International Airport. So option D is the correct answer, Cochin. Next question. In February 2017, ISRO launched PSLV C-37, which carried 104 satellites belonging to 7 countries including India. How many of these were Indian satellites? So out of these, there were 3 Indian satellites. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The world's first holographic screen phone has an holographic screen that produces 3D visuals without needing special glasses. So that was Hydrogen 1. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Identify the name of ISRO mission whose objective is to carry a 3-member crew to low Earth orbital and return them safely to a predefined destination on Earth. So it is Gaganyaan. Option C is correct answer. Next question. Scientists plan to build an elevator between Earth and the Moon to cut down on the rocket fuel needed for a trip between the Earth and the Moon is known as, what is the elevator called? That is space line. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which company launched India's first ethanol based bike? So the answer to this question is TVS. And which bike it is? It is TVS Apache RTR 200. Next question. Recently, oil zapper was in news. What is it? Okay. Oil zapper is an bioremedy technique involving the use of oil zapping bacteria. So, oil zapper is, it is an eco-friendly technology for the remediation of oily sludge or oil spill. So, option A is the correct answer. Next question. The scientific term false stack hole cloud was in news recently because, okay, what is this? This is also called hole punched in cloud, that you see a structure of a hole or something like a hollow cavity in the cloud. So it was in the news and it was seen in Victoria of Australia. So option C is the correct answer, as it appeared in the sky over Gibbs Island in eastern Victoria of Australia. Next question. Google's main shopping service is called, it's called Frugal. Option A is the correct answer.